A handful of healthcare workers nationwide have been fired for refusing mandated flu vaccines. News 3's Andy Choi shows us why local providers say requiring the shot is the right thing to do.
Lou, have you guys seen much flu stuff?
In his 14 years as a paramedic, Chris Kaiser says this has been the worst flu season he's ever seen, which is why receiving the flu vaccine was a big priority for the man roaming the ER at St. Mary's, Janesville.
I'd like to keep myself healthy. I certainly don't want to spread infection between patients. I would hate to think that as a healthcare provider I was spreading flu amongst our patients that I saw. That seems counterproductive to what we're supposed to be doing here, which is keeping people healthy.
Our main motivation is how do we keep our staff and our patients and our visitors safe. So clearly getting the flu shot is what's recommended by all the experts, and so safety of our patients is our main motivation.
St. Mary's is part of a growing number of hospitals requiring staff to get the flu shot. It seems like a no-brainer, but a handful of healthcare workers across the country have been fired for not complying with their workplace mandate. St. Mary's workers do have the option to waive the shot for allergic and religious reasons.
If they don't qualify for a waiver, then according to our policy, they have 45 days to comply with getting the shot or they are terminated.
But for healthcare workers like Kaiser, ethics outweigh personal choice, especially when lives are at risk.
An injection seems a little harsh in some cases, and I can see how some people would have objections to that as well. And if you have a strong reason to opt out of it, I can see an employer allowing you to do that. However, it's the right thing to do. Just like washing your hands after every patient contact, just like keeping your education up, it's the right thing to do to keep yourself healthy, your family healthy, and the patients that you take care of healthy.
A few more numbers. Only 8 of St. Mary's Janesville's 470 employees have waived the requirement. A survey by the Centers for Disease Control found in 2011 more than 400 hospitals in the U.S. required the vaccine for their employees.
And there's still time to get a flu shot, too.
Absolutely.
Flu season's a long way to go, unfortunately. Andy Choi reporting. Thanks, Andy.
You're welcome.